Welcome to our exploration of the note-taking app landscape in 2025. With so many options available, today we're diving deep into four popular contenders: Anytype, Capacities, Obsidian, and Notion. First up is Anytype. Known for its focus on personal data ownership and offline capability, Anytype offers a unique interface that allows users to organize information flexibly and creatively. Next, let's take a deep dive into Capacities. This app shines with its AI-assisted features that help organize thoughts visually. However, it does have some limitations in collaboration capabilities. Now, let's explore Obsidian. Renowned for its markdown capabilities, it empowers users to create interconnected notes seamlessly. Plus, a robust community plays a vital role in its ongoing development. Finally, we analyze Notion. Its versatility is unmatched, especially for teams. Notion's collaboration features allow for real-time sharing, making it an excellent choice for project management. Let's compare the user interfaces and experiences across these four apps. Each one offers a distinct approach, catering to different user needs and preferences. Integration capabilities are vital in today's digital ecosystem. Let's see how each app connects with others through integrations, as this can greatly enhance workflows. Now, let's discuss pricing and accessibility. Understanding the cost versus value is crucial when choosing the right app that fits your budget and needs. Real user experiences can provide invaluable insights. Let's hear testimonials from actual note-takers who have used Anytype, Capacities, Obsidian, and Notion. In conclusion, each note-taking app has its strengths suited for different use cases. Choose the one that aligns with your needs, whether that's for personal organization or team collaboration.